You guys can do my hair. I'm just doing this video.
All alone in my bedroom with the lights turned down and my roommate gone. I know it's over, still I cling on. 'Cause I'm my own right now, and I don't need anyone, but sometimes I miss your stupid face and your taste and your smoking gone. It's so depressing how the teardrops in my eyes. There's so much water in the space between my thighs. I can't help it, thinking about it only makes me cry. It keeps me wet. You know you keep me wet, so I run down. It's nights like this that remind me of my deepest fantasy, where my
Oh, bulas. I don't know. I'll just choose it. I'm gonna do my neck stretch. And if I'm done with my neck stretch, I'll tell you when is my outfit going on. Okay, guys, I'm done with my style. How's it doing?
money, everything. I know all my don't work that bad. If I don't have money, they must go to all my to give them money because I don't have money. They want this to go to Obama. I don't have. If I don't have, go to Obama. There's nothing I can do.
I'm gonna do ski room, guys, but not that sport one. I shouldn't go live, but I can't because I don't have enough subscribers. Guys, do subscribe at me, guys. Please subscribe. Anyways, I'm going to do my outfit. Okay, guys, this is my outfit. I'm gonna change that. This is my bag. I'm gonna put it on. I need to do it right now. Okay. I did. I did it. Okay, it's wait, ladies on. Guys.